Need my notes.
What's up, crew? Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Mary. I am being assisted by Capitan. Ruka is on my lap, and wow, Santana. Wow. I'll let you out after I get this intro done. He's probably gonna be distracting me during this one show. I'm sorry. This video has nothing to do with him. Today's video is going to be all about this professional pet hair dryer. So I was super excited to receive an email from this company. I don't want to say the name wrong, so I'm just going to pop it up right here. Offering for me to review their professional pet hair dryer. I don't know about you guys, but I am one that does blow dry my pets after I take them a bath. I feel like it just really doesn't let them like smell like a wet dog for that long. And it makes them a little bit shinier. I just have always used like my own blow dryer, which is probably like not the best because it gets pretty warm and I'm like constantly moving it back and forth. And if you've seen some of my grooming videos with Capitan, he gets like all weirded out with them, but he lets me do it, but like it's not like he loves it. So I'm super excited to open this box, review it, and use it. It is $109, and you can find this on Amazon. I did look up like a little bit what the Amazon reviews were, and it did have a 4.5 star review, so I don't know. It's kind of a little bit of a bougie accessory, but hey, I mean, it's 2022. Like, our pets are our kids these days. Spending $100 on a blow dryer for your dog is not a big deal these days, am I right? Let's open this up. I'm actually gonna give little Ruka a bath today because she needs one. She's gonna be the one who's gonna test it out. But I'm also gonna see what Cappy thinks. He's probably gonna run away because he's scared. The big bad Rottweiler's scared. She's not scared, she's like, whatever about sounds. He's a big baby. But all right, done with this talking. Let's open this baby up. It came like in a box already, like a bigger box, and then this box. So I haven't opened it up. I'm gonna give you like my whole honest review on it. So let me go get some scissors real quick. You guys stay right there. How much do you guys want to bet that Capitan thinks this is like a bark box? It's really something he is not a fan of. A blow dryer. Apparently it makes like low sound, which is good. I might have to crank this down a little bit so you guys can send it up, Cappy. This is not a bark box. It is packaged. It's heavy. It's about 10 pounds, apparently, when I was reading. No, Cappy, no. This is not a toy. Maybe I should kick him out because he's going to be so annoying. He gets so crazy over any packages, especially if there's a camera out because he thinks we're reviewing something. We're not. I mean, we are. It's just not a toy review. It's like one of your least favorite things you probably want to review. Da-da-da-da. Can we like show how it looks, please? Move. Move. All right, sit. So here we go. This is what it looks like. We got the directions. Who reads the directions? I'm just kidding. I really probably am going to need those. This is the hose, probably. It's actually small, so it's like not a huge old blow dryer, so we can store it, you know. Oh, it's kind of heavy though. All right, all right. So we got this. Okay. No, that has nothing to do with it. Or maybe it does. Okay, okay. Did you guys... Lay down. Oh, my makeup. Lay down. Okay, good boy. We got a bunch of different style of heads right here. I feel like this is very professional, you know? This is like what they have at like the grooming spots. So I think I'm just gonna use this one. Put these on here. And then probably the same idea, I'll show you guys that again. Full handle, got the cord, bada boom, bada bang. Stop. All right, so you guys just saw me assemble the whole little dryer. Now I'm going to take Aruka a little bath, and then I think I'm probably either gonna bring her in here or my room and test this baby out. Come here. Or should I try it should I plug it in real quick right now? Listen, I got plenty of outlets. Come here. You like it? Come here. Come here. It's okay, Ruka. I probably gonna have to like hold Ruka and test her out. She's probably have to get used to that. Come on, baby girl. What do you think? Do you want to take a shower? Do you want to take a bathy bath? You like it? No. Okay. You want a bath? I'm gonna give you a little bath. You want a bath? No, you're not gonna get a bath. You'll get one tomorrow. All right, let's test this baby out. And I need to get my dragon out to play because he's being crazy. He thinks he's a dog. Santana, you don't take baths. You don't have fur. You don't need it. Okay, let's go. Hair blow dryer, I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion about it. I do want to say it is on Amazon for $109. You can buy it and get it shipped to you the next day if you're really needing it that fast. It has a 4.5-star review and all that information will be linked down below. I think that it is a great product. Obviously, they're a professional dog groomer. But also for a person like me, I don't take my dogs to the groomers because they don't need their haircuts and I could just give them a bath here. I've always done that. They've never been to a groomer. So having this little accessory is definitely a nice little bougie thing to have. I did notice that it didn't get like as hot as say my hair blow dryer would be, which was nice because I'd always have to make sure I wasn't like staying in one spot. I would always be constantly moving the blow dryer around so it wouldn't burn my dog, if that makes any sense. And it was a little bit quieter than my blow dryer, which is good for him because sometimes he freaks out over the sound. It's lightweight, I'll be able to store it. It has a bunch of cool different little nozzle heads for like long hair dogs and whatnot. So I might let my other friends try it out, but I give it 2 thumbs up, you know. It's just one of those bougie accessories you can use for your dogs. It looks pretty professional, you know. It's cute, it's cool, it's awesome. I mean, I also think it'd be good to like, since it's so powerful, it took like Ruka 2 minutes to dry up. I mean, she's obviously a short-haired dog, so it didn't take that much for her to dry. Probably make him dry really quick too, because like I said, he really doesn't like the blow dryer. So it's pretty powerful for how small of a machine it is. I also think it'd be good to like dust too. I don't know, I'm always thinking about cleaning. But yeah, if you guys are interested, all that will be linked down below. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Follow my dogs on all their social medias because they got their own IGs. I'm working on some new videos. I am currently editing Aruka's birthday party, so that will be exciting to show you. And if you want to see any more videos about Cappy, about any of my pets, comment down below because I'm always looking for new things to show you guys. But I hope you enjoyed. Until the next time, I will see you. Bye. Pretend say bye. Cappy, say goodbye. You want to go? Give me a kissy. Give me a kissy. Oh, he's a good boy. You're not. You want a bathie? Uh-oh. We can't put you in the sink, unfortunately. You gotta go in the tub. My big baby. Okay, let's go.